All of you gentlemen, please, go through this. Improved energy efficiency, reduced utility cost. How reduced utility cost improve energy efficiency? I'll explain you in my, further uh, presentations. Reduced waste of and improved operations, increased productivity, minimized downtime, increased equipment and power reliability, and lower operating cost. Um the There are multiple negative impacts of the poor power quality, which is like energy losses, unplanned downtime, premature aging of equipment. Very important to understand these points. Utility penalty cost, decreased productivity. I think, do you suggest that I should talk about this, or in the presentation? If you want to ask anything about this, you please ask. Utility penalty cost आपके यहाँ गुजरात में अभी नहीं है, but I think in since I belong to Maharashtra, this has become a very talk. This has become a talk of the town now, because there'll be a penalty on the uh, power, negative power quality, which is happening. Like, if you are having uh, your PF in lead PF, leading power factor, then you will be penalized as per the norms. Also, in case of harmonics, like Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra is also in making of that. That, in case your harmonics are not under the guidelines of IEEE 519, then you'll have to pay a heavy penalty to your utility. Also, the decreased productivity, of course, it decreases your productivity. How it decreases the productivity, I will explain you. The decreased productivity, energy losses, and unplanned downtime. These three things I will explain you in my next slides. And of course, decreased reliability. So, to improve the power quality, how you can improve the power quality? As I mentioned, sag swells are one of the major power quality related issues. Then harmonics, which is 23% contributor to total power quality issues. Then your uh, uh, capacitor switching that I have showed you in my earlier slide. So PF correction is one point. Uh, Power conditioning, voltage stabilization, reactive power compensation, and harmonic filtering. So as of now, I think what is compulsory that people are doing is voltage stabilization. Everybody is having a voltage stabilizer and power conditioning. Uh, PF correction, harmonic filtering, and of course the reactive power compensation. Say it, both of them are linked. Is what the topic of discussion here. What is harmonics? In a very thumb rule kind of way, I want to